Hello children, welcome back to Uma Talks, and here I am with standard 12th biology. Okay, so the chapter molecular basis of inheritance, and in molecular basis of inheritance we are going to do today, okay, the genetic material is DNA. This is an unequivocal proof, okay, by Hershey and Chase. So Hershey and Chase performed some experiment, okay, in order to prove that DNA itself is the genetic material. Okay, so we are going to do that. Hope you must have seen the other lectures also, and only if you see all the lectures, they are all interconnected, you will be able to connect it. Okay, now here I'm going to start with this Hershey and Chase experiment. Now children, bacteriophage, this experiment was done with the help of bacteriophage. Okay, so what is a bacteriophage? Okay, viruses that infect bacteria. Okay, viruses that infect bacteria is said to be bacteriophages. And how are these bacteriophages? Normally it is something like this, okay, and it has got, okay, 6, these are the tail fibers. You don't have to be bothered lots about it. Okay, now this is the outer coat. Okay, this is the outer coat, and this is what is the DNA, you can say. This is the DNA, and this coat is made up of protein. So this is a protein coat, this is the DNA, and these are the tail fibers, you can say. Okay, they are like legs like this. Okay, so this particular proteins, as you know, proteins have got a sulfur content. Okay, sulfur is a component of protein, and DNA phosphorus. What all things, if you remember when we did DNA, okay, what all things it had? It had the nitrogenous base, okay, and sugar and phosphorus. Nucleotide and nucleoside, if you remember, nucleoside is the one which does not contain phosphate, and nucleotide is one which contains phosphate. So phosphorus is an important constituent of DNA, while sulfur is an important constituent of protein. Now children, what did Hershey and Chase do? Hershey and Chase took some bacteria, okay, and what did they do? Okay, they tried to get it infected, okay, with the viruses. They chose viruses, and the viruses could infect bacteria. So before that, what did they do? They took some viruses, okay, and what did they do? Okay, they tried to infect or grow those viruses. Okay, they grew that viruses grow into radioactive, a medium which contained radioactive phosphorus. Okay, so they took virus and they grew the group of virus in a radioactive phosphorus. Okay, and finally they took another group of virus which they grew on radioactive sulfur. Okay, now for your knowledge, for you to understand, let me tell you that this sulfur will get incorporated into the protein coat, while phosphor will get incorporated into the nucleic acid, okay, that DNA. Okay, and after that what happens? They allowed the bacteria to be infected. Okay, this bacteria, so they are bacteriophages, you can say. They took the bacteriophages, okay, and they tried to grow it. That viruses which infects bacteria is known as bacteriophage, I told you, and we are talking about bacteriophages. So they took that group of viruses, or you can say those bacteriophages, and grew on radioactive phosphorus, and other bacteriophages to grow on radioactive sulfur. So finally this phosphorus was here and sulfur was in the protein coat. Okay, so finally what happened? Now what happened, that they took it and they got it infected, okay, with a group of bacteria. So these bacteriophages grew on, got it infected with, bacteria. Okay, here we have bacteriophages with radioactive sulfur. Okay, So children, one more thing you should know, that suppose if this is a bacteria, okay, so when this bacteriophage goes and it has to go and get attached to this bacteria, okay, suppose this is a bacteria, okay, so this particular thing will come over here. So what does it do? It gets it like this, ऐसे हो जाएगा. So it goes and gets attached with the coat. So finally what does it do? It allows this particular nucleic material to enter into the bacteria. ठीक है? This nucleic material enters into the bacteria, and this outside, this ये वाला जो part है, this is left outside. This remains outside, and this is known as ghost. It is known as ghost. This is made up of protein, as I told you. The protein coat remains outside and it hangs out as a ghost. And it is this material actually which passes into the bacteria. Got it? And finally they understood that, and no, this happened, and then what did they do? They took this particular bacteria. Now the bacteria was completely infected with viruses. They took the bacteria and they tried to study the bacteria, okay, crushing it, that what was found into the bacteria. Okay, when the DNA went inside, it took over the working of the complete bacteria, and quite many viruses were formed into the body of the bacteria. Okay, it took over the whole of the machinery, took over the whole of the working. So finally what did they see? When they tried to study in the experiments, they found that that particular bacteria had phosphorus, radioactive phosphorus. यहाँ से what did they find? They found radioactive phosphorus from the body of bacteria, and finally they concluded that it is the DNA which had this radioactive phosphorus into the body, went inside. That is what is the genetic material. That is what took over the functioning over it. Okay, and the host which was left out, that contained protein. It means protein is not the genetic material. It is the DNA which is the genetic material. So Hershey and Chase, through their experiment of bacteriophages, once more let's revise. Hershey and Chase, through the experiment of bacteriophages, okay, tried to grow bacteriophages in an artificial medium containing radioactive sulfur and radioactive phosphorus. Got it? And with those bacteriophages, they tried to infect a group of bacteria. Okay, and finally they tested that bacteria which was infected by the radioactive sulfur and phosphorus. Okay, they concluded that the bacteria contained radioactive phosphorus. So finally it was concluded that after the infection of the bacteriophage of bacteria, the part which was left outside the body, that is the host, was protein which contained radioactive sulfur, and the part which entered was the DNA which contained phosphorus. So it was completely proved that it is the DNA which is the genetic material. Now children, again a very important experiment, Hershey and Chase experiment. Okay, it is again from the board examination point of view as well as the NEET. You should know that who performed the experiment, okay, which actually finally stopped to all speculations that what is the genetic material. Okay, so I feel I've made the concept clear, okay, the topic clear, and next I'll come with the properties. I feel, okay, we'll do the properties of properties of genetic material, both RNA and DNA. Okay, hope you must have liked the video. Put a thumbs up, do comment children, do comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.